Hello. Hmm. So yesterday I changed look on the client, and what I did is instead of I have my main client, my index, and I don't want to that my player selection offline or online be aware of the client. So um, instead of using this client and start player config, what I do is I'm sending. So when I'm init the player selection, I'm doing on the client. What I do is I'm sending two functions. So it's going to be two callback. It's going to be called by my player selection client, but on the main client. So this thing technically doesn't need to be aware of the client, doesn't need to depend on it, and basically instead of just starting the init there, you always start the init player selection inside the client, and it's some kind of it's not really a proxy, but I'm just wondering something. So this is where it's called. It's called with my lobby. So yeah, actually I still need the client one. Well, no, not really. It's because I need to have my lobby logic change also, because my init here, this game client init, yeah, I need to do the same thing for the lobby. Instead that my lobby doesn't need an online or offline mode, but it still need to know what's going to trigger on the init. It need to know what's going to trigger on the init lobby. I need to change several things, but I just need an init here for my lobby. Don't need a start or anything like that. So it receives nothing. I still have a on init and on start. Let's just see where I'm calling. I think I'm calling it inside the loading zone. Inside the boot scene. We have a scene start, config lobby key. Shouldn't have that. Yeah, I'm surprised I still have that. Okay, no, it's for my boot scene, but starting the lobby scene here, it's because it's starting the lobby scene before, if I go to my lobby, I don't want that here. This client lobby init. Okay, so yeah, but this is too late. Yeah, but it's starting the scene first. That inside the init, it init the lobby. Yeah, it feels like it's too late. But that is just cool after all my assets is loaded. Instead of starting the scene, the lobby scene, and trigger the init, I want to do this client dot init. Well, this client dot init lobby. That's what I want to do. And then the on init is going to trigger when it's loaded, and when it's loaded, I can start my scene. And the start scene is going to be the lobby one. So I can already change that. Yeah, except it can be this scene start here because I'm inside the boot scene. So maybe I should be. Is that always true? I don't know. Yeah, but it depends. If I want to load my yeah, but something is bothering me with that. Yeah, I want to get back to the lobby. I don't want it to be start from the lobby scene. From the load scenes make little sense. Yeah, right now it's going to work because I'm never getting back to the lobby scene, but when I got a menu that can get back to the lobby scene, I'm going to have a problem with that. Because it's going to retrigger the init lobby, and when you retrigger the init lobby, it's trying to start the scene from the load one, but the load one doesn't exist. But right now it will work, but oh, that's strange. Yeah, but that's the problem. Is stopping the current scene mean nothing because you can have multiple scene on. So how do you know which one you need to stop? Because if I'm inside my game, I need to stop the HUD also. Because my HUD is a scene. Yeah, that's bothering. I just for now. Yeah, also wondering if it should be function on my index here. The lobby, the scene. It depends if it's the only plane, because yeah, it would be really great if that was the only place that's and yeah, I don't think it is. I think my dev scene is handled by my main scene, my game scene, so not everything is handled here. Yeah, that's yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I could technically have getter for the scene here. Because what I want actually, I also want my client here. I don't want it to the register. So I was thinking about yeah, but you need you need to construct it, but basically you need a get. Yeah, you don't even need a getter. What I should have is client. So this one, And what I should do is, instead of... Wait a minute. So when I'm inside my boot scene, I'm registered a new client here, and what I want to do actually... let's just do that first. So I want to get rid of the registry for the client, because I can handle everything from my game, and I think it makes more sense to have it in the registry. Yeah, it's just a singleton. Yeah, a registry is good when you don't know what you're going to have, like, but you need to retrieve something with a key, and you don't really have IntelliSense because of that, because it's a map behind it. It's very useful, but for this purpose, I think having the global on the game is probably better. So if I make it public, I can access everywhere, and all I need to do is I need to do that instead. New this. Okay. Actually, all I need to have, and whenever I'm doing a get, so I can get rid of that. And this dot registry get this one. So I'm the client here, and why am I having the client the utscene? Oh, that's really strange. Oh, okay. Why am I doing that? Oh, that's strange. Yeah, I'm getting the correct scene from the client, but it should clearly be from the game. But otherwise, I need to have a key. Or I need to do something like scene.get, and then I need a key. Yeah. But I already doing that. Also, yeah, I should really. It shouldn't be there. It should really all my game here. All my scenes should be registered inside my constructor. It should be getter, you know. It should be getter, like get. Well, if I'm taking all of them. Oh yes, this music. If I'm doing getter for lobby scene, all it does is return. Well, maybe it should. Yeah, maybe it should be a map also. Maybe it's better. What I mean is, I should have, you know, key for my scene. Take my config for a second. Yeah, I have the key like that. Yeah, I can definitely get back the key like that. I could type it. Yeah, I could type it, but the problem is... Yeah, I just need the key. I need to have a type that make the union of this key, you know. But problems I need to make... I need to make the type from the config. Otherwise I need to repeat it 2 times. It's not annoying to repeat it 2 times, but... Yeah, I'm wondering how I should do that. Yeah, but do I need to type it? I don't think so. I think if I'm doing... I'll just try something. If I'm doing something like config.scene dot... Yeah, I cannot do that. I can do an object key, but... I'm doing object keys for that. What's your type is? Actually, yeah, you it's very precise about the type, so... Yeah, but what do you return? Const tests equal... Object or string of list? Hmm. Yeah, but it's a string of list. It's not smart enough to... Yeah, make an union of it, but... I don't feel like I'm learning anything to do that. I'm wondering if I care about that. But I don't want to lose a type. Yeah, every time I'm doing a get scene, I need to say this is the class that corresponds to it. Don't think there is a way around it. Yeah, well, I don't know. I think I can do a key off, you know, if I'm doing... I doesn't like that config seed only refer. The type is being used as a namespace. What are you talking about? Hmm. Yeah, because it's not a type, of course. No, I can get the key of a type, but no, I don't think it's working this way. Yeah, but you need the type before that. Yeah, I think you need to be precise. You need to have a type for it. I'm wondering. No, there's no way to automate that because I need to cast it anyway. I need to cast it to say that this scene is from this class. So even if I'm doing all this smart way I still need to cast it, so I still need to do it individually. Well, I could build an object, a scene object here. I'm wondering something. Do you have a scene object? Yeah, you have, but not scenes. You already have get scene, all of that. I just want a shortcut for that. Well, I could have something like that. Public scene. And well, that's a trick. It's yeah, that's a problem. I still need to cast it after that. If I have specific things on the scene, I still need to cast it after. Well, no. What I can do, I think I don't need a type. It will. Oh, I'm making the type just on top of it. Because the type of the scene is going to look like that. Type scenes is equal to, and it's going to be key, and the key is going to be the same as my config. That's why maybe I need that for. I need to share that. Maybe I need to share that, and so this is a tricky part. The tricky part is just this, yeah, so it's not a type of course there. I need to put the type here for each individual scene. So like boots scene is my first one, and it's a class, so bootsy dev scene. Did you find boot scene? Okay. Okay, so boot scene, debug scene, and ut scene. then lobby scene, then a main menu scene, player selection scene, and a game scene, and a game training scene, and game FRC. Okay. Also, I'm registered as, so now I just can have the key of it, I don't need to repeat that. That's a good thing. And what I'm doing, so I'm passing it to the scene here. So all I need to do now, actually I can. The problem is I need my game to be. Yeah, okay. Yeah, but I have the my game here. Okay, this is where I'm instantiated. And inside the constructor, you're going to build a scene with that. So this is what I'm called super game config. And so the tricky part, but it need to be. Yeah, but I don't have it here. I have the type, but I don't have. But this is the type that I'm sending the class. I'm sending the class. I don't think it's going to work. I need to repeat that. You know, I need a thing like, kind of the same things, but I'm wondering if I need to pass it as an argument, if I can do something else. Because it's scene, but it's doing something, you're going to start the first scene and register the other one, so that's really the process of registering. Work pretty great when it's passed as an argument. I don't need to worry about that because it did on the constructor. So that's quite good, but I need a scene here, you know. I don't need the constant inside the expo class. Yeah, but this process of starting the scene is still there. The only instantiation is there and the starting. I feel like my phaser space game is. Yeah, I'm not sure of something. Yeah, but I could start it on the constructor, the first one. I could get rid of the phaser space game. Yeah, but I call the constructor after, you know. I'm doing this constructor, I'm sending all this configuration, and I can send the scene also. Because I already built the scene on top of it. And now it has the information of the type of the scene, so. Yeah, I could clearly do something. Fuck, I'm going to have a lot of error. But I could do something like that. I don't know if it's better, but. I feel like this class is completely useless. You know? And then I have my scene here. And why am I doing it two-step? Where do I, why am I calling that? Okay. So I'm calling it there actually. Okay, I see. Oh, it's completely useless. Maybe if I have something else, but I don't think so. No, it feels like it's completely useless. It's not a shade type because a shade type is something. This thing is only known by the client, so it's not a shade type. But the type can stay here. Yeah, I just do that. You know, a scene. I do a public scene of type scene. Then I'm setting the scene first. Are you going to? I don't think so. I'll not permit a side constructor and nested function inside constructor. They have two super. Yeah, I'm not sure it's going to work. So it's doing something like this scenes equal then taking that. Well, actually, it's exactly the same things. It's exactly the same thing. I'm not sure it's going to work actually, because maybe it think it's an instance and not a class that it need to receive. I'm not sure of something. Yeah, but I need to do. Yeah, yeah, but it doesn't solve one of my problem. No, because after that I need to get the scene. Yeah, it's not register. It's not like I'm doing a new scene and then pass the scene. Maybe I can do that, but I don't. I'm not sure. What do you receive inside scene? Okay, for the game. So game config. Yeah, I'm tested by the game config. So you have a scene or scene to add to the game. The first is start as the remainder has started only if they have active true. Yeah, but I can send a class of it. Can I send an instance? I was just wondering if I can send an instance where I'm sending a key. I can also setting a key, I think. I need to check something first. No, I need to check something first. Let's just keep it the whole way now. Yeah, I need that also. The start and this. I need that after. Mm, 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 mm. Bum, 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 bum. Don't need that. And I don't need that. Um, how do I call it? My game? Or I just call it my game, it's pretty good actually. Okay, F2 error. Lob. Oh, okay, one inside my client. Two actually. Okay, just get rid of that for now. Don't like something. This thing, of course. Of course, of course. I didn't get rid of that. Funny. Go away. Okay, that's still running. Lobby client of Indefine. So I have a problem with my lobby scene because I'm doing 30. So I'm trying to init. Okay, of course I have a problem now. I'm not register it anymore. Yeah, only need to chase is doing this game.client lobby client init, and of course yeah, now I'm doing everything inside the constructor. I don't know if it's better, but it already work. Okay, technically it's going to work. No, still the same error. Now I have the error here now. My lobby client starts. Wondering why. Well, it's still not set. Yeah, it's still not set after that. So when I'm, yeah, of course it's not set because I just get rid of the client now. Yeah, every time I need to do game client instant, yeah, it's global. I don't know, it feels better, but yeah, except it's not going to be lobby client. It's going to be init lobby client. Ah yeah, what about the start here? So I'm doing the start here. Do I need to proxy it also? I'm wondering something. It's after it's init that it's going to trigger the start from the init, but yeah, I still need to start it from the specific client. Yeah, I can just proxy it, but yes, I'm telling it what you're going to do after after you push the start button, but I'm not telling in the client that pushing the start button going to proxy to my client one, my lobby client. That means there is two different way. The init way is going to be inside my client, and the start way is going to be inside my lobby client. Yeah, the setting of the what you're going to do when I hit start, it still do that inside the init. I don't know if it's a good design. Just keep it that way for now. Keep it that way for now. Yeah, of course I cannot change that. Yeah, game client lobby. Yeah. Yeah, but not here. I don't need to init anything here. I don't need to get the client, I don't need to init, I need to do nothing inside the init. Because the init, it started, when it started, my... I'm not sure. Oh, wait a minute, I'm not sure. I have an error now. What's wrong with that? Yeah. Yeah, I'm leaving the room, I'm starting, so I still need the client. Yeah, I need the client here because I'm not making the same logic. Okay, yeah. Not sure it's better. Let's just try it this way, okay? Let's just try it this way, because I don't have a clear picture in my mind. What I want to do when I init the lobby is I want to create the client, I want to init the client, and I want to be notified when the init is finished and starting the scene. That's what I want to do. So it's really the same as the one below. Except it's the first one, when I'm init the lobby I receive nothing. I need to say what's going to happen on the init lobby. So when I'm triggered the init lobby, I'm inside my boot scene. So I need to say, of course I can because I don't have my boot scene here. I just okay. Let's just do that. Yeah, I know I'm getting rid of that, but okay. So if I have my boot scene, I can do this boot scene start config. What the fuck, man? The boot does not exist. Boot scene. Boot scene? Boot scene? Boot scene start config send lobby key. It's my config? Oh, I still have lobby room in. Fuck, I need to change that. You're not happy about that, why? Okay, so of course now I need the same. If I take my player selection, I need that on init and on start. I don't know why I have the room here. Yeah, because I have an abstract one and I don't have an abstract for my lobby. So I still need, yeah, okay, but I need both of them. I need to say what's going to happen when you init and when you start. So this is probably going to be the user. So the constructor change. Probably don't need the client anymore, but just keep it now. What's wrong? Cannot find client, did mean client, no. Ah, what am I doing, man? Okay. What's wrong with that? Okay. So I'm setting that. Still good. This is still good. Then once I trigger the ones, let me just instead having the player selection online. When I init the state, I'm doing the thus.init. And when I start, when it's ready, I'm trigger this thing with the user. User. So it need the user also. User. I still need the client here. Because I'm registered the room inside the init. Yeah, so I still need the client. I still need the parent. Yeah, of course, if I have the parent, I'm sending the onStart and onInit because I don't register it. I'm not keeping it as a property. It's just inside the init function that I'm create them. That's why I don't need. That's why I need to. That's why I'm passing them. But yeah, I still need the client because the lobby client is responsible to join the room. And it's going to stay this way. It's going to be responsible from that. So you have user here and a user on the start. And then what changed? I take my client. What's going to change here? So what's wrong with that? So when you on init, you're starting the scene from the boot scene start. So I still need to do scene, okay. And you're starting the lobby, that's correct. You do nothing. Take the user and the user and the user. Then you init game here. What I want to do is init player selection. So I'm doing init player selection. Yeah, it need the user. Yeah, that's strange because yeah, I'm registered the user, you know. I'm not registered inside the start one. I'm registered user. Yeah, but do I need to do that? I don't think so. I think that this user is kind of stupid because it makes more sense to have it inside on start, you know, register the user here. Because yeah, on my onStar I also not register the player config. It's still register E. Yeah, that's weird. It make more sense to say, okay, when I'm starting the other scene, then I know I have the correct user, and I'm just doing this user is equal to user, and just starting the player selection, and I don't need a user anymore because I know that when on start is done, my user is ready. It's got the correct one. So I don't need to resend it and save for my player config. Once this thing is done, I can do player config is equal to player config. So it can be there. And my init game doesn't need that. And absolutely doesn't need that. So yeah, the difference is the instantiation, of course. So it's going to be way easy. All I need to do is doing this lobby client is equal to new lobby client. This on init and on start. Okay. And of course, when I done that, I already register the creation of the lobby. What I'm doing is I'm starting the lobby. I'm init the lobby. When it's finished, it's going to call that. When it's finished, it's starting the scene. So I don't need to worry about starting the scene when I'm doing init lobby. Yeah, that's the only thing that bothers me, is that it's working because it's a flux from lobby player selection and game scene. But if it's going, for example, from game scene to the lobby, it's going to crash. Yeah, maybe I need to unregister something on the start, you know. Because the start means I'm also leaving it, my current scene. I'm not doing anything from that. I keep, yeah, I'm leaving the room. Yeah, that's strange because, yeah, I'm leaving the room, but it's not really a great cleaning. I don't think it's going to cause an issue. Okay, you don't like the init player selection here. Of course you don't, so just go away. I'm still leaving the room here. Okay, I need to be aware of that. Need the void because it's in sync. Okay. So also, of course, lobby with 2b and lobby with 2b. Okay, so cannot see the error. 51. You don't like something. Yeah, of course you. Yeah, yeah, that. Yeah, because I don't need to register it there anymore. Make no sense. Make no sense. Because I'm doing it there. Up, can go. And now my lobby scene. So this client, yeah, that's the thing. This go away because now my game have the client's reference, so it can go away. And you're not doing the lobby client in it. Well, yeah, but you're doing, technically it's doing nothing. No, it need to do absolutely nothing. When this thing starts, my lobby client is in it. It has its default state. It did everything. So yeah, the process is the initialization of the client always happen before the scene starts. That make absolute sense, and it's always should work. So you never need to call the init client inside the scene. Make no sense. Because this thing is done on the boot one. It's done on the start. Look, and the start. My god, I cannot find the file. And the start is going to init the player selection, that's correct. Yeah, the only strange thing, yeah, when I'm calling init lobby, that's a very good question. When I'm calling that, when? Should be called there. It should be called there. Should call the init here. And the init's going to start the scene after it's init. And it's going there. Yeah. So this should be this dot client dot init lobby. This game. Init lobby. Nothing. And this go away. So actually I have nothing inside the client now. You don't like that? You need a game from it? You already have it. Ah, yeah. I see. Well, I'm wondering why it need to be sync. It doesn't really need to be a sync. Wow, I'm doing something strange here. No, that's correct. Yeah, it's calling the init when it's created. Yeah, but I don't need the await. Doesn't need to be a sync. So I think now I have problem. Of course I have problem here. Lobby client. Yeah, let's take the lobby first. Yes. Doesn't need to be a sync. Hi, okay, you need to be a sync here. Because yeah, you need to be a sync for that, for the await here, but no, that's correct. But what is not correct? I don't know actually. Yeah, this is where it should be ignore. The promise should be ignored here. This is where this is the good way to do it. I need to ignore the promise here because I don't care about waiting that it's the last step. Otherwise I need to have a public and a wait there, and when I'm calling the init lobby inside my my other scene, I also need to handle the promise. So no, I don't think I need to handle the promise inside my lobby scene. So inside my boot scene, this error should be gone. Okay. Okay, this is better this way. So I need to change something also. The online one. This thing go. So you have this one, the abstract one. Spin go. Return nothing. So void. Bam. No. This one is still abstract. Yeah, still abstract. It's my own init that. Yeah, but it's not so. No, it should work. Yeah, this one is still a sync. Actually, it's correct, I mean. Yeah, actually, it's correct. Now, why do I need a void here? Yeah, I don't need a void now because my init player selection is also not a promise, not a sync, so doesn't need to handle the promise. Well, it doesn't need to tell it doesn't going to handle the promise. Oh, I have an infinite error somewhere. Cannot read property scene. Lobby client on init. So when you're doing init, you have a problem with a scene. Cannot read property scene of null. Lobby client is init. Okay, the problem is here. So this thing doesn't work for some reason. I just check. Yeah, it's lobby. Oh my god. This may be why. No. Cannot read scene of null. Some reason. On the boot scene, you start this one. So it's looked like maybe it didn't register the boot scene correctly. Boot key. Boot scene as boot scene. So what's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Boot scene is null. Okay. Okay. For this game. Dot scene. Maybe they're all null, man, now. Yeah, maybe they're all null. You know why? Because when I'm starting the client now, when I'm starting the index one, yeah, it looks like it's not registered. It looks like I need to wait from some. It looks like my scene are not registered. But I can do a scene start boot key. Yes, that's also one of the reasons why. No, it should still work. No, it doesn't. Yeah, but my client is called after, so my scene should be register. Yeah, it should work. My scene should be register. They are not. It looks like it's waiting for an event or something like that. Ah, that's bothering. Yeah, I need to wait for something. Let's just try something. Game. You have something inside game. I agree. Game.scene. Ah, you actually have them. 9 of them. Boot scene. Yeah, you have registered them. So when I'm inside the debugger, you have them. I like this music. Oh, this one is good. Oh, this one is so good. Oh my god. This is good music. Yeah, I'm surprised why I don't have it. I have my scene, so if I'm doing the same code here, I was saying config is not defined. You have it. But yeah, need to be there. I'm sure that when I'm here, I don't have it, so I need to wait. Yeah, actually, I know I need to change that anyway. It's just getting the scene is completely fucking stupid anyway, but... yeah, I don't have these games. Ah, I don't have this game! No, I have this game. Yeah. I have scene manager, but they are empty. Yes, that's what my theory was good. They are empty here, there. Because when I'm doing get scene, yeah, nothing is registered. That's what I don't understand. It looks like I need an event. It looks like I register it asynchrony. Or I don't know what it's doing, but they are not inside the list on my constructor. I don't know. I can still do a scene start. What's funny about? I think if I doing after, I just test. After one scene start. No, I still don't have it. That's funny. Pending. Ah, they are in pending state. Yeah. Yeah, it's look like there is some kind of register or something like that. An event that's happening that I need to listen. Like a scene ready or something like that. Hmm. Scene event after create is completed. Yeah, that's what I want. Ready pre-update. This event wants pre-update. Ah, you think so? It's so strange. Let's just try it. But feel like it's strange. If I'm waiting for something and get inside my debugger. Let's try that. Okay, you don't like it at all. Init lobby of undefined now. Why? Ah. Yeah, because you don't have client. Okay, you need to register client first. Yeah, because it's trying to do a start, and on the start it's trying to call the init lobby, but the init lobby doesn't have the client inside the game and it doesn't work. So yeah, you cannot do that. There's no way. So I still fuck if I want to register my scene here. But I don't think I'm fucked if I'm waiting. Let's just try that. If I'm waiting here, technically inside my debugger, the scene should be registered. You know, yeah, you don't even enter. Yeah, it should enter here. No, I'm not sure. Let's restart that. Yeah, but it's going on the start too early, so it doesn't solve anything. I think it's cool, but I never go into the debugger because it's crashing. It's crashing too fast, so that makes sense actually. Yeah, if I'm not starting any scene, technically when I'm getting back inside the pre-update. Oh. There's a cat, I don't know him. Where was I? Oh. Yeah, I think it should go My scene should be in it. Something's wrong here. Just kill node. Yes. Yes. Let's start again. No. It still start too early. Why? Cannot read property scene of null. Yeah, but you don't start the client. Something is really strange. Oh yes, sorry, I'm stupid. This is what I needed to change. Yeah. So technically I should have my scene now set. I just want to... Why? Init lobby of... I don't care, man. I'm not doing anything on the client. What are you talking about? Am I doing this new client somewhere else? No, it's the only place. Shouldn't even start the boot scene now. Still try to start the boot scene for some reason. Because it's okay. It's because my scene start config scene boot key. It's completely useless. And this one's going to use the client one, and I'm still fuck. Okay, I'm going to be fuck all the time. If I'm trying to register the scene inside the client. There's just no way around. Or I need to defay. Yeah, I can do that. I can Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, but I don't want you to start anything. Can I say that? I want you to wait for the start. I'm not sure what I'm doing. If I'm doing that. Yeah, I still have the problem. You still starting it too early. Yeah, I still starting it too early. I don't have control that. I think I had control if I can on my constructor say don't start any scene, but it look like I don't have control on that. Yeah, I need the type of it for the game. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh my god, it's so slow. Okay. So type parent canvas, context scene seed, the focus. Don't look like I have control of that. I don't have control of that. Okay, so let's solve, because that's not what I want to do anyway. So let's solve the let's solve the get scene problem. Yeah, not here. Yes, I could do that. I could. What I can do to solve this problem is instantiate my client inside the boot. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I'm doing inside the scene. Because it looks like I don't have control inside it to do that. I just don't have control. Yeah, I don't see a better way to solve, because I want my game in it before I use my client. I want my game in it before I'm using anything inside the client, the scene and all of that. If I register it inside the boot scene, I don't have the problem anymore. Yeah, that's a way to solve it. I don't see a better way. Even I think you should really have an event, you know. Should have an init function instead of a constructor, because clearly this boot, what the boot is doing. Do I have a create also? Create? No, boot. This method is called automatically when DOM is ready. It's creating for responsible for creating the renderer. And emitting the boot event. With call game start, okay. No, it's not what I need. I don't know. I don't care about the config. No, I don't care about the config. Boot callback. What is that? Boot callback. I don't know. Yeah, it's a type, but game. No. Class game, yes. Call automatically by game boot. Boot once all the global system have finished shutting themselves. Yeah, I need a start from it. Is that start? Yeah, I think this is it. You have nothing, and what I need is a super dot start. And then I can register my client. Yeah, when you start, I can register my client. Yeah, it's still going to start the boots. Yeah, that's. Yeah, but I want to defer the. Well, yeah, but I think I'm still fucked. I think. Let's try to remove that. I think I'm still fucked. Ah, wait a minute. I have 3 cats. 3 cats. They're just sleeping, all of them. Okay. It work? No. Well, it doesn't crush E. I don't know. No, I don't need to start, it's going to start automatically. A clear need to be registered after the scene exists. Yeah, I don't know. Now I have another error. So I didn't fix the bug. Oh, it's another one. Oh my. No, it's another bug. This player config doesn't exist. Create. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's client plug. Yeah, it should exist now. So it's a player config doesn't exist when I'm starting this thing. Yeah. Should I have a default one? Yeah, in every case it should exist, I mean. That's strange. That's really strange actually. I don't think my start is working, because when you go in there, I mean, there's no way it's not existing. Make no sense. When I'm starting my lobby, uh-huh. Yes, it's work. Then when I'm doing, yeah, it's going to be the on start that is cool. When I'm clicking here and just have a debugger here. It should exist, I mean. Player config should exist. Stop player config, yeah, you exist, so. Ah, that's strange. Don't have the error, and then up, I have the player config of undefined. And it's this client player config. Okay, I see. No, it's because my client still try to get from the registry. I think my player selection scene. Okay, I don't need that here. Well, maybe I'm going to need that here, you know. No, I don't feel stupid. I can just start. I can skip it without going to. Yeah, can I do that? Can I skip in without? I'm not sure actually. I don't like it to have it there, but just remove them for now. Where am I using the clients? Here, okay, here. Boom, 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 boom. So you don't need the gut, because when you're on a start, um, uh, 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 I don't know. Yeah, I still need the gut, but I shouldn't need it. It can be in a lot of places. It can be with the default one. It could get it from the local storage, yeah, very early. It's clearly stupid to have it here. That's clearly stupid. Yeah, but my player config is already set. Yeah, it's set to the default one. With the name and all of that, yeah. It should. Not with the name. I don't know, I'm not sure. Oh, the user is set here, that's for sure. The player config is the default one. It's not scared of me. It's like I never saw this cat. It's just there on my room. It's not scared. Doesn't give a shit. I'm scared of him. He's not scared of me. It's like he don't care. Okay, he's behind me now. Oh, this cat doesn't give a it doesn't give a shit. Oh yeah, my cat. No, it looks like it's not really. It's a big cat. It's a scary cat. What are you doing here? Yeah. What are you doing here? I don't know. Strange cat. I want to finish that. Yeah, it definitely can be there. I think it should be that. Huh. I'm not happy about it. I'm missing something. I'm not sure he's going to be happy. He doesn't like that at all. Safe assignment of any value. I need to cast it also. Yeah, it's kind of ugly. Yeah, we moved the ugliness there, but I want. No, I clearly want that my create should I shouldn't even have a player config inside it. No, I shouldn't have a player config. Actually, I did it. Yeah, I need it. No, I need it. I need a copy of it. Yeah, because I'm changing it. Yeah, I'm changing it, and I'm only saying what I change when I'm starting. I'm not saying what I change all the time. I'm not listening for. I'm not watching any keys that change to trigger an action and thinking, or. I'm not doing that now. Maybe I should. I don't need that now. But if I have like competition mode or anything like that, I will need that, but I don't need that now. It's already complicated now, so I don't need to add it. I still want the default one to be just client player config, just a copy of it. If I think about it for a second. Okay, so not when I'm starting, but there's a lot of place when I can do that. I can even do it there, you know, init player selection. Because when I'm doing that, I know that my user is set. Clearly, it should be before. Or it should be after the init lobby. After, either it's on the start, then I have this user and I'm taking the player config and I'm assign it there. I can do that, or I'm doing it on the first init player selection. Well, I think I'm going to do on the on start. It makes more sense. Oh, I don't have a user here. Ah, name. Okay, yeah, of course. Why do I need the name here? Yeah, but why do I need the? I don't need the name. It's completely useless. Why do I need the name? Yeah, but what it is? It's a name. It's a name of the user. So it's no. It's completely stupid. I don't need a name here. No, I don't need a name. Okay, I can get rid of the name completely. I'm wondering where I'm using it. Player config name. Yeah, okay, I don't need this shit. I already have a scene key. Eh, that's fishy. Where am I? Am I using that? No, I'm not. I'm using it here. Yeah, but I'm using it to set the config, I think. Okay, I'm not sure why I need that. A scene key. I don't know. I don't have all of them here, but I don't know. Let's just not. Okay, I don't need name here. So now. Don't need name. Probably going to have error. Okay. Yeah. So I need nothing. And my player selection, so I still need a copy of it. Is it still how I'm doing it? If I'm doing that, I don't need to listen anything, and I only need to. If I'm doing that, I don't need to change anything. I just need on the create to say that you're going to have a copy from the client one, the current client one. So I need that. Yes. Okay. Does it fix it? No, still an error now. Player config of undefined. Player selection scene. Yeah, it's because do I still get from the register? Did I change that? No, I didn't change that, of course. Because yeah, this client. Good question. So here, of course, don't need that anymore. This dot game and this. Also this client. Game. Okay. So also you're doing a player selection start, and this is still correct. I know it's strange that I'm using the player selection. Yeah, I'm still using also the client for having the config that is set, because I need a copy of it. I don't really like that, but I don't really like that. Yeah, this is my update. Yeah, I know it sucks. Yeah, I'm registered inside other item, and then when I'm ready, I'm using this item that I register. And it's, yeah, I know it sucks because I didn't, yeah. Because the item has a key. Yeah. Also the controlled by human. I'm not sure it's useful inside the player config. The ready is useful, it's because I'm using the ready to... I'm not sure. I don't really like this design, but I don't want to change that, but I'm going to change it. But I'm going to need to change it later. Okay, so technically it should work now. Just start again. Check something for a second. Yeah. Yeah, this is good, but yeah, it's when I'm starting that I'm going to start that. Yeah, so absolutely need to start there. Nah, that's weird. Maybe it should be call init. Yeah, I'm wondering if I proxy some function inside the client. If I have some getter that's going to use a lobby client start, but it doesn't. It's like a slight improvement, it's not really useful. Okay, new problem. Scene, physics world. Did I change something with my projectile? Nothing. Yeah. Yeah, I changed that just before starting the stream because I was wondering if it was easy to change to the matter physics. Because I want. Well, I can have a lot of hack with the arcade system for collision if I have non-aligned collision, non-orthogonal one. But with the other engine, the other physics engine, I can have I can have collision that is not just a box or just well, it can be a box, but it can be rotated, you know. So it doesn't need to be aligned. If you rotate the box with the arcade physics engine, you still create you still create a square around your box. It's not like what you see is the collision. It's just it cannot flip its axis. But with the other engine, the matter one you can use rotation correctly. And because my game using rotation, so now it's working because my bullets are only circle, so it doesn't cause a problem. But if I want other skill, I'm going to be fucked with the system, or I'm going to need a lot of hack. Yeah, so maybe that's what I'm going to do. Maybe next week or something like that, because I still first want the game working online. So okay, I don't know if I have FPS here. It's completely useless. Yeah, I think the error was related to that. Okay, now game client of the undefined game scene. So when you trying to start the game scene, yeah, it need to be changed. Yeah, you're doing this game client, but this client, of course, you get it from the registry. Let's do a quick fix. Game scene. So what I want to do here, just get rid of the client. So I'm using it 3 players, so just up, and instead you're doing this game here, and game. You have game client, state player value, and You have the ID. Yeah, it's to get the specific player. And the update, you're calling the update every time. Okay. Yeah, I think it should solve the error. No. Game scene of undefined. You'd see now. Yeah, I still need a client. Oh, that suck. But yeah, that's correct. Yeah, but you need to know which game scene is started for the UD. Yeah, it kind of suck. Yeah, okay, this suck. Yeah, of course I can just do the same change, but yeah, it doesn't seem like this logic shouldn't be on the client. That's because I need the game mode with the user, and the user is inside my client, but it should clearly be on my game start game scene on my game, not on my client. Okay. I'm just doing this change and commit it and think about how to get rid of the getting seen inside the client. I don't want to be there. So game scene. Yeah, what where do you use that already? Register the event. Yeah, you want to listen. No, that's yeah, but I think it's completely yeah, but maybe this is wrong. Yeah, I want to listen event from my game scene. That's correct. That's what I want. So yeah, it's kind of logic, and I'm emitting them from my game scene. So obviously, no, it's right. But yeah, so my HUD is completely dependent of the current game scene. No, there's no way I can change that. Yeah, I also need to kill the event when the HUD is clean. I need to kill this event. Yeah, right now I just can do game client game scene. I'm so using the player a lot. Yeah. No. I need. Yeah, I need the player, but yeah, maybe it's not going. Yeah, but I'm not sure because what I want to do also That's another thing I think about. Is when I'm dead, right now, I'm seeing my own HUD. Because I'm seeing this player, but I want to see the HUD that I'm focused on. I want to see the player that I'm focused on, so I want to change the HUD. So the action of the player and what I'm seeing when I'm dead is different. I need two different players. That's why I need an observer player and a player. And the player going to react to the keyboard and the mouse, but not the camera. It's not fixed to the camera. It's a different player. Can be the same, of course, but it's a different reference. But I don't care about that now. But okay, I think it should work now. Yeah, this work. Let me commit that. This is a lot of change. I just say. Yeah, I also changed my package JSON because I use phaser.js now. I had absolutely no problem with that. I just changed the dependency and it worked. So it's compatible from the previous version, of course, but sometimes you have strange error, but no error here. Yeah, it's a terrible commit message, but okay. What's the next step? Wait, I want to deregister this thing. I think it's really easy to do. I just need a scene event on other, like on leave, on destroy, on something like that. Yeah. So you have a sleep. Wake. A destroy? You think it's a destroy? Scene stop. Trigger the destroy one. Yeah, you have preload create update in it. Yeah, I want. Is that all you have? Ah, that's hard. Scene remove key. No, but I don't want to remove it. I want to stop it. Add to scene, boot, create, destroy. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Yeah, do I need... I don't know. Hmm. It's timer event. Hmm. Off. Yeah. I need to off all of them. I don't know. The problem is not remove it. It's when remove them. That's the problem. Ah. Actually, if you have your own UD events, you can just do a remove all listener. So it's a good idea to have your own event for that. That's a good idea. Yeah. I don't know actually. Because I'm registered inside the game. Okay. So maybe when the game is gone, this event are gone also. So when I'm stopping when I'm stopping the game scene, it should be unregistered. So I don't think I need to do that. Oh, I don't need to do that. Yeah, so yeah, how am I going to next step is just I want my game, my scene handling. I don't want it to be inside the client. Okay, let's think about that for a minute. Let's think about that. How am I going to do that correctly? I think I really don't have to, you know. I can never get. Yeah, what I want is just a type for it, you know. Yeah, I'm doing a lot of helper get to have the correct scene, but if I could just, I don't know. There's too many ways to do that. This problem is my get scene is a map. Yeah, that's my problem. That's why I need to cast it after. So, yeah, it's a scene manager, but it's like I need my own scene manager. You know, I need phaser.js scene manager or something like that. An instance of game or scene manager. Yeah, just want to type scene manager. Yeah, okay. If I'm doing probably have a type for that. No type. Yeah, phaser game and scene config. Scene config object. It's an object guy. Scene specific configuration setting. So you have a keys. Keys to an object that return an array. What? Oh, no. Objects that map key to scene. Yeah. The key to the scene so we can quickly get the scene from a key without iteration. This.scene. Oh my god. Yeah, but it's an object. You don't have the yeah. Just play a little bit with it. Just remove that. Okay, start. Okay. So this dot scene. Oh, yeah. I just put my debugger here instead because I know that the scene has started. Keys. But it's yeah, but it know what kind of scene it's getting back. So I can just do a key boot. Debug scene is undefined for some reason. Yeah, but I cannot do this scene. Yeah, that's a problem. Is here I cannot just do this scene dot keys, and it doesn't know the type, you know. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. I don't know to. Yeah, at runtime, of course it know it. Of course at runtime it's know it. Okay, difference between scene and key. If I'm using this game scene, I'm going to use this game scene key, then I'm sending the correct key with the player config, and then I need to cast it to the type that it corresponds, and then when I cast it in TypeScript, I can do something with it. It's too much. Every time I want to get a scene and do something with it, I need to do that. Well, I don't need to cast it every time, because if I'm not casting, I'm just getting a scene, and with the scene I can do most of my work. If I just want to start another scene, you know. But if I want to trigger a function specific to my scene, I'm fucked also. But I never want to do that, but I don't know. It's all I have, game and scene. Of course I have my function, add, get index, get key, get scene, get scene. Yeah, the key and the get scene is doing the same thing. The get scene is more verbose, but it's doing exactly the same things. It doesn't solve my problem. Yeah, I still need the game scene. This one I still need absolutely. Yeah, but this one depends on my game key, so it's even more important. It shouldn't even be called game scene. It should be, yeah, current game scene maybe. It should be called like that. Because I need the game mode. I need the game mode, and since I'm a user, so it's inside my client. I have it inside my client, but I need to do the game key inside. And I have the game mode, but I need to do this client game mode instead. Yeah, but it's so one of my problems, doesn't solve all of my problem. Uh, yeah, of course I could have that there, but I need to do, yeah, scene, then the name of the scene. Yeah, I can do that. Yep, yeah, I'm adding a lot of function inside my scene manager. Don't know if it's a good idea. I don't know if it's a good idea. Yeah. I like. Yeah. Or am I? I don't know. I don't know. This. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to use helper inside my scene manager. Scene going to be called scene inside my game, and I'm going to have game scene dot get the name of the scene, and it's doing the casting all of that, and it returning the correct type. So I know when I'm doing get scene this one, I have the correct type. I don't have. Yeah, but is that really useful? Because if all I'm earning this way is just the casting, I think it's completely useless. Only need to do that for the game. I can only, yeah, like current game. This, yeah, it only makes sense for my game. Doesn't make sense for the other one. But it's just verbose. You're doing this dot game. Also, what suck about that is that I want to stop the current scene here, and I want to stop all the scene actually inside the lobby. Yeah, but I want to stop all the scene. So it depends on my keys. Let's just see the doc for 1 second. Definitely not. No, no. Switch makes sense leaves and start is no, no, no. Yeah, it's the same as the run. But yeah, but I want to stop the other scene when I'm doing that. Should the other scene clearly display this timer? So, but I don't want to. Yeah, no, that suck. This is a better way to do that, I'm sure. Doesn't look like it. Awesome. No, this. No, it's not enough. Yeah, difference between run and start. Hmm. Yeah, I want to stop the current scene. All of them. All of them. I'm surprised that it. No, because I never. I don't think it's working. I think if I. Because I'm not testing my menu, I don't even know if it's work anymore. But I'm pretty sure it's not going to work. Because I need to stop the current scene. I need to have a list of active scene and stop all of them before starting the current one. I really feel like I need helper inside my scene. Yeah, because if I have helper here, I manage all my scene logic there, all my helper functions there. I don't want to manage the logic inside my client before starting the scene. It's not its responsibility. It really should be managed inside the scene manager. Just my own scene manager with some helper function that, for example, watch for the current scene that is up and remove them or destroy them or make it sleep and start the ones that I want. I don't know. Yeah, I really feel it's going to be better if I have my own scene manager. Yeah, I don't know what it's sent, so it's just call. Oh, sorry, constructor. Oh, this thing. Okay. So now I need some helper. I need. Yeah, but after I have this helper, yeah, I think it's a good idea. I don't know why, but I feel like it's a good idea. Get boot scene, get lobby scene, get ut scene, get debug scene, get main menu scene. I know it's verbose, I'm repeating it, but at least I have the correct type when I'm doing that. And inside my other helper function, I can say, okay, yeah, but no, it doesn't cost anything to have this helper. But I'm not sure I'm going to earn anything having them, but we'll see. I don't know. Yeah, I think. Yeah, also, uh, I need one is more clever. One is well, this ones that need to be some kind of clever. That's the other one, and it's from my client one. Um, yeah. So yeah, this thing need to be inside my scene. That also means that instead of having game mode, I need to have game and then client game mode. Not happy about that. Not sure it's going to work. What's wrong with that? Yeah, okay, there's this. No, you have this game. No. It's not game. Yeah, you have it. Something is wrong with that. Hmm. You don't have ah, yeah. Forget the most important part. Yeah, of course. It's my game instead. Yeah, but still you need the public one. And okay, should be correct now. Okay, so it's going to do scene. Get scene. Yeah, I like this music. Pum, pum. Oh, papa. Yeah, so yeah, I also need my user. Yeah. Yeah, there's a eye coupling. It's completely dependent on my client. Okay, I'm okay with that. Don't like that. Okay. Yeah, I could have it in another file. But I don't know. Game scene. Just could go to a get game. Technically, it should be called current game scene. It's the best word for that. But yeah, I know it's going to be scene and then I don't know if it should be a function without the getter and the get instead. I don't know. But they always exist, so that's not a problem. They always exist. But yeah, I need something like that. Routine. And you have the config here. Or do you register inside? Yeah. Just adding field and you register them when there's a constructor. Also could work. Also could work. I'm thinking about it. Yeah, but I need another object if I'm doing that. I need another object. Like scene. And then you can get back the key from it. I don't know, there's too many ways to solve this problem. Yeah, but it's just like junk code, you know, it's really look like junk code, you know. Well, the good thing with that is that I'm getting back the correct scene. I'm not getting back a scene. That's yeah, but if I want to do like, because I clearly could have, because for example when I'm starting the game, always setting the HUD, but it's more complex than that. It's that I'm taking all my current scene activated and I destroy them. Then I'm starting the game one and the HUD one. But for example, for my menu, I'm just toggle a scene. So yeah, but the three big destroying one is clearly on the lobby, on the player selection, and on the start of the game scene. That's the three ones that need to destroy all the other ones. After that, yeah, also, yeah, yeah. If I'm doing that when I'm inside my game scene, I want to get back to my lobby. I'm sure I destroy all the scene. I don't need to remove them, I need to destroy them. I need to stop them. I could have an helper for that. Maybe it already exists. And with this dot stop all. Stop key date, okay. An array in which all of the scene are kept. Yeah, I need a list of the current scene. Scene list. Yeah, you have a. Yeah, I just want access to that list. That's what I want. I want to access to that. Yeah, give me just a list of this list that you currently. I don't know. Scene dragging? What is that scene dragging? Yeah, it's not what I want. Just want the. Yeah. I need a filter. Well, I can stop all of them. If they already stop, it doesn't matter. I know it's fucking ugly, but I don't think it's cost anything. It doesn't cost anything, that's for sure. So I can do something like that, you know. I can do. Stop all. Is that it? The area in which all of the scenes are kept. Yes, that's what I want. So I want. Oh my god. I want a 4 off of that. No, I don't like it. I need value. I think I could. I'm surprised. I don't think I need value. Maybe I need values, but. Cannot find name scene. Yeah, okay. Yeah, but you don't know the type. That's why I think. Ah, yeah, you know the type? Yeah, you know the type. Yeah, I'm using a for up E because it's side effect. It's not like I need a mapping or anything like that. He doesn't know the type. I think it's on here. Cannot do that with a 4 off. Oh, I need to cast it. The value. That sucks so bad. That sucks so bad. No, no, what I need to do is that. I need to do that. Yeah, I know it's kind of ugly, but I don't think I. Yeah, you're not still not happy about that. Ah, stop doesn't exist. Okay, it's not stop. Yeah, it's scene. Oh, it suck. It's no. There's better way to do. Yeah, I have the key. No, you can just do. I think it's better to do that actually. If I'm doing keys here, just a string. So say, just call it key, and then I can do this dot. I think there is a stop. Stop. Oh yes, there is a stop all, man. This. Oh my. Oh no, this is my stop all. Oh my god. This is my stop. I was like, there's a function that do what I want, and no. Key number? It's a number? It's not a string? Keys? Durable iterator? Oh. Yeah, of course. This keys, I think. No. No, this knows that. Get keys? Keys, yeah, keys. It's a function? I need to study key values. You cannot iterate over a key, that's... No, no, that's strange, why? It's an object. It's not the... I don't know. No, it's an object, it's actually values, I think. Well, you know what I can, you know what I can do? I can just... Yeah, but I don't have a list of it. I don't have a list of my key. Oh, there's so many ways to do that. There's so many ways to do that. Ah, there's just so many ways. Yeah, if I... Well, I don't need a stop all, I need... That's funny that I don't have that, I mean... Just... Try something for a second. Should really have a way to iterate on the active scene, you know. Should be easy to do that. Shouldn't be like... Yeah, it should be easy. Okay, you never enter... That's that's the problem. Why do you... Yeah, okay, I have a problem. You are not entering... Why not? Ah. Yeah, I think it was enough to trigger that, but apparently no. That's funny. Yeah, no. Wondering why. I don't know. No. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work because it's not enough to say that. It's still going to use its own scene manager. Uh, I don't know. I don't know how I can use my own scene manager. Maybe I can say it on the super. That's possible. Maybe I need to. Pum pum. Pum, 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 pum. Hmm. I don't know how to do that. I don't even know if it's possible. I don't know if it's possible. No, but it's never sending that. It's doing something, it's created its own scene manager and instantiated inside the scene and it's never starts its one. Cause I don't know, somewhere I need to do a new inside the game, inside the constructor, but it fixed that. It's not like I can say, okay, use this manager. I cannot do that. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, but I'm going to have a client that handles that. Yeah, of course I can have. I don't know. There's so many ways to do that. I can have a scene that's get a scene man that just have my game. Because that's already what I do inside my client. So I can have a scene manager here. And the scene manager is going to use the helper of the scene on my scene manager. I just can get back the scene that I want. That's actually can have a key like that. If it's a class, I have also the function. Now having like a new scene with us here. Having something like that. Ja, and then I still need I don't know, there's a lot of way to do that, but I can set in here, you know, I can. Now you have a scenes, and you have all of that. Actually, don't need a type. Yeah, how do I yeah. If I didn't call it game, or I prefix it, but it's already seen game, I just can't call it my game for this one. I don't know. Yeah, just for this one, it's going to be my game and instead. Okay, so lobby. Yes. Hmm. Okay. I don't need the FFA and the training one. Am I using them? No. No, I don't need that. I still need a game. Yeah, it need to be a getter. Yeah, this one need to be a getter. Cannot be a property. Yeah, but that's annoying also. Yeah. No, it's not annoying. Just need to remove the fact that it's declared there. It's not a property, but it's a getter, okay. So I need to remove this one. Still need a game key. So I still need to do my game here. I still need my game here. I don't need that anymore. And I still need the game. Game scene. So don't need that. So I want the boot one first. Yeah, this music is good. Okay, you have the lobby now. This is my game. No, still not happy about that. It's not happy. Yeah, my game should have a scene. Yeah, go away. This need to go away. I don't think it's related. Yeah, it was. Okay. Oh my god. So what do I need? I still need the def and the main menu and the debug. Well, it should be called game menu instead. It's not a main menu, it's a game menu. It's a menu only inside my game, so it's clearly not a main menu. Let's just keep it main menu, I don't want to rename that now. Okay. What's wrong here? Go away. Okay, so now you have access to all of this. So now I can use a game scene with S to get this specific scene. And I can have a start now, start. Yeah, and the start is going to remove some. Well, not remove, but sometimes I don't need it, but the only complex one is my game one. Because the game needs to be a specific scene and it needs to start. You need to start something else. Also need to stop. Yeah, the thing that's really bothering with scene manager system is when I want to stop a scene, I can do start, but I'm start. I need to be away from the scene that I'm triggers the start. Don't want to be aware of that in any place. It's not the rule. That's why I want some helper here. Yeah, I still bother by the remove. I still need a remove. Well, let's just try something. Don't like that. Okay, just have a debugger here. Oh, fuck. So, okay, so now I have this helper. I have all the scene now, but yeah, of course I can do my game and scene with us and see my scene manager. can see my scene manager here. Yeah, the only problem with that is it's not. Yeah, the idea is to have 3 starts, you know. Have a public start lobby, and when you start the lobby, you need to remove all the scene. This, yeah, not remove, but stop. Doesn't seem to work. Let's look at the example. No, stop, my god. Ah yes, that's curious. It's a ton of example, but not what I want to do. I think it's a common things to do, no? That's what's... Maybe it's just too easy and say, okay, implement yourself. I don't mind about implementing myself, but I'm just curious, there's no example of stop. There's a sleep example and a wake. I'm curious. Switch. The switch make it some... yeah, make it sleep one. Oh, you have a wake? Oh, okay. It's not... well, yeah, I don't need that, but that's interesting. Yeah. No, I really need to stop, I don't need to sleep it. Yeah, launch parallels, that's what I do for my HUD. Add scene after game. Add scene from another one. Yeah, it's not adding. It's not removing, it's stopping. Well. Yeah, no, it's working really pretty great if you, like, inside your game you only have one scene started, then you just can get your current scene, and but it's probably never this kind of scenario never going to happen because it's too simple. Well, I don't see, yeah, I see remove, stop, stop all. Yeah, how do I get the key? Yeah, I have the type, but yeah, I have it inside my config also, I know it. Yeah, I need to do something like config scene dot object keys, object values, and then getting the key back. You know, don't like it. Any, cannot find scene config. Okay. Yeah. Let's get all my key. Just string, list of strings, so that's what I want. Well, I can just throw off that, no? Huh. What's wrong? What's wrong with that? Ah, I hate the needle man. Key is declared but values never read. Yeah. Yeah, I still need the object values, of course. It's so ugly, man. It's terrible. It's just horrible. It's just horrible. It's horrible, man. It's just terrible. Yeah, it's terrible. Just f key seagull equals this thing. And then key of keys. I think it's better this way now. Yeah, it's better this way. Technically stop all my scene. Technically. So if I want to do start game, now I can do this dot stop all, and then this dot game mode dot doesn't need to be start. Yeah, it can be start. It doesn't matter. Run or start, but it just can be start. Game dot start dot scene. Yeah, I know that's strange also, because I also have a scene manager inside my other scene, but it targets the current scene, so it's not the game scene. You know? So this game scene is the game scene. It's not the game scene manager. It's the game scene of the game manager. Yeah, it's very confusing. Yeah, I'm wondering something. Yeah, but where was done that? Did it on the game online clients, I think. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, I need to change that also. Yeah, I need the same logic. I need the init and no start. This is the init one. But this thing should be an helper. That's what? A stop all. I need to do these things. So I already have the game start. That's correct. And I need to launch. So I'm using the game scene to launch it from. Yeah, do I? Yeah, but I still need to use a key. I can. Yeah, I can just do run. I can just do run. Doesn't matter. Cause run. Yeah, but nah, I'm not sure. Does the run with sleep it? Because the difference between stopping and sleep it. If I'm doing, well, I can still do the scene launch. Yeah, but I need my correct scene. I don't want that. I don't want to. Yeah, obviously I can do that now, but because I need to send. Yeah, no, I don't like this. Yeah, I can do a run. Run this given scene, but does not change the state of this scene. It should be run. It can be run also because I stop all. So it should be that. It should be this dot game. This is something I want to see also on my. I don't care about that apparently. Yeah, I do send back. Yeah, yeah, I probably don't need to do that, but maybe I should start my UT first, because it's on top of it. Yeah, I know it's true. Yeah, but that won't work because I think my UT scene need my game scene to be started, so I'm not sure it's going to work. So maybe it's not a bad idea to have that actually. Yeah, I already have it. This game start. And this dots good scene good dot scene dot start. I can do bring top after that. So I want to bring top. I think that's was sent to back. I don't know. I don't know. Why it's sent to back and bring top? Yeah, but is that no, I think the back yeah, but already back, no? Or does it the starts is that like a stack and it's the first one now? Or is that below? You know, I don't know. Well, it's an easy fix if it doesn't work. But now you have this thing instead, and you have when I start lobby, stop all, and then lobby to start, and you have a start player selection. You have a stop all and a player selection start. Now that's pretty much all I need. So now inside my client, I don't need that. Can go away. This can go away. What I need, oh, I did something wrong, man. No, I still did that. Was not the right file. Okay. I have warning somewhere here. Don't like that? Ah, yeah, of course you don't. Player selection like that. Don't like lobby start? Of course you don't. Okay. So now I don't need the scene. So I don't need that. Yes, this thing need to change also. Does it already? No, it doesn't. Yeah, I think I can already remove it. This thing, I think it's going to work, not sure. Oh, this thing is correct. No, so I don't need that, I'm going to have crush. No. Yeah, no, this is what change. Okay, just, oh my god. Just remove all the scene related code. Why have main scene, game scene? Yeah, I'm not using that. Okay, go away. Go away. Yeah, I don't need a game scene also. My helper, I can remove that. This go away. This go away, this go away. This go away, this go away. And this go away. So now what I do is I'm doing a this.game dot scenes dot start game dot start lobby. Okay, same thing here. I'm doing a this game scene dot start so player selection. this thing. And now, yeah, it still need to be refactored, but yeah, I have a stranger. Wait a minute. I have a warning somewhere. I'm surprised it doesn't crash. Yeah, okay. Wow, I have a lot of error here. Don't have game scene anymore. Yeah, of course I don't. Why do I need a game scene here? Apparently I need it. This client game scene player, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's really ugly. Of course, I have the client, I have the game inside it, so I can do client game. But why don't you just send the game instead of the client? Yeah, I can have a really ugly and really ugly fix. The ugly fix is that. This is the ugly. Ah, no, it's not enough. Because it's not game scene anymore, it's game now. No, not happy. Does not exist on type my game. Yeah, of course, because now it's client game, scene game. This is the easy fix. Yeah, I need to rethink that anyway, so I'm just fixing it now. Oh, if I just was sending the game instead, I mean, I know that I'm going to, yeah, having the game instance would be so much better. It doesn't make any sense to send the client if I already have the client inside the game. And I'm also checking something for a second. Yeah, actually I need the game now. I'm doing this client player config here, okay. Still using the client for something. I still need the client for that. Yeah. Yeah, obviously I could send my I could send my player config inside the init. And then I don't need the client. Yeah, I need the client for joining the room. I still need the client for joining the room. Honestly, sending the game will really solve my problem instead of sending the client. Because I still need the client for creating the room. Yeah, I still need that for the online version. Yeah, I need to send my game instance. Yeah. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Yeah, I know it's strange, I mean. Yeah, I know it's kind of strange. I'm using too much singleton here. Game is a singleton, that's logic. The world is a singleton, the client is a singleton. The client has a game that's sent to the sub-clients. The sub-clients are not singleton because they can be... No, they are not singleton. They are reinstanted and only the lobby is a singleton now. But the player selections are not, and the game are not singleton. Well, even the lobby is not technically a singleton because I'm remaking the lobby every time I'm starting the lobby. So it's just I'm remaking the same things with default init state. Yeah, I need the game instance. I mean, there's no way around it. Yeah, it should. Yeah, it should be there, but on my player selection, it should clearly be. Bim, 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 bim. Let's think about it. Okay, I'm sending the game. So I need the online version. Online version. I still need game here. But here, this is a funny part. Yeah, it's inside the game. Yeah, the game mode is inside the scene now. Why? Why it's inside the scene? Could be inside the game, not inside the scene. Yeah. Yeah, it could be inside the... Yeah, my game mode now. My game key. Oh, problem with my game key. Is my game client game mode? Yeah, I need... Yeah, why do... Uh-huh. Yeah, of course. Just need to be this game mode. Yeah, the oh, wait a minute. Hmm. This thing work? Why? Model to game key. Mode to game. Okay. Wait a minute. Ah, yeah. That makes sense. Name of the game mode. Game mode depends. Yeah, this thing is. Yeah, but this thing should. This thing is stupid. It's working because I didn't remove it from my client. Yeah, remove it. Should have an error here. I don't. Don't have an error here. Yeah, but. Ah, yeah, okay, yeah. No, I see what. Yeah. Well, that's a very good question. My game mode. Clearly, it should not be inside the scene. Neither the game key. It clearly there's nothing to do there. Inside the game it makes sense, but it depends of which scene is active. And it depends which user was picked. And so it depends of my client. Yeah, of course I can have a game mode inside my game. Uh, it shouldn't be called game mode, it should be active game. Activate, yeah. Current game mode. Yeah, there's nothing to do there, of course it doesn't. Yeah, I don't. I need the information inside my client, the user. I still store that inside. Yeah, if I was storing that inside the game. But if I'm doing that, I'm storing too much thing inside the game. Yeah, but if I'm storing the state inside the client, because no, I still keep that. I know it's strange because it's using the clients that need to be. Yeah, it's really strange. It's really strange, but I'm only doing that for the game mode. It's okay, I think. Current game key. I get rid of that. Now it's inside my game. But the only thing that changed is that if I take my client back. Okay. How much time? How long did I? Already 4 hours. Oh my god. Gotta take a break. Bye bye.